Hello dear students, how are you? Today we are going to learn the proof of theorem. The sum of all the angles around a point is equal to 360 degrees. So we are now observing this figure. Here O is a point and you can see that around this point there are so many angles. So let us mark those angles first. Say this is angle 1, this is angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6. So we need to prove that sum of all the angles around a point equals 360 degrees. So we have to prove angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 equals 360 degrees. For doing this, what we will be using is an important geometrical result, and that result is linear pair axiom. Do you remember that? Yes. So here we observe that the ray OC, you just look at this, the ray OC, it stands on the line AB. We are starting with this. The ray OC stands on the line AB. So we observe that the sum of two angles, angle 1 plus angle COA, will be equal to 180 degrees, isn't it? So we can write it here, ray OC stands on the line AB. So by linear pair axiom, angle 1 plus angle COA equals 180 degrees. Now observe angle COA. COA. Yes, angle COA is angle 2 plus angle 3. So this implies angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals 180 degrees. So we will be marking this as equation number 1. Right? Similarly, if you observe this figure, we see that the ray OE stands on the line AB. So we write here, similarly, the ray OE stands on the line AB. Therefore, by linear pair axiom, what do we get? Yes, we get angle 4 plus angle EOB. See, angle 4 plus angle EOB equals 180 degrees. And now you see that angle EOB is angle 5 plus angle 6. So angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 equals 180 degrees. We will be marking this as equation number 2. Now observe relation 1 and this equation number 2. From 1 and 2, what we are going to do? From 1 and 2, if we add them, by adding, what do we get? Yes, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 equals 180 plus 180. Now you tell me what is the answer? Very good. 180 plus 180 is 360 degrees. So this is how easily we have proved that the sum of the angles around a point is equal to 360 degrees. I hope it is clear to you.